little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is our school. Every one of you goes to school, and why do we go to school? We go to school to study over there and we learn many new things over there, right? And our school is our second home. Right, so I will tell you about types of school. Like we have kindergarten school, primary school, secondary school, higher secondary, and these all are the different types of schools. So let's study about the learning subjects and then other activities in our school and qualities of good student. So let's warm up now. The place where children go to. So the place where children go to be educated, जहाँ पे हम कहाँ जाते हैं education लेने और to become an educated person. So where we go to school. And what you learn here, you learn many new things. And every school has a building. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा हर स्कूल की एक बिल्डिंग होती है with many rooms and there are different classrooms over there, right? So let's study about the types of school. First is your kindergarten school. It's a very small children's school. बहुत छोटे बच्चे जाते हैं, right? Small children's means children garden where the children learns what? Alphabets, numbers. जहाँ पे कहाँ से क्या सीख रहे हैं? Alphabet सीख रहे हैं और भी new things सीखते हैं. And after 3 years, ठीक है, 3 साल बाद, by doing nursery, LKG, UKG, right? Or they to go to the primary school. And primary school is up to class 5th. 5th class तक होता है. And we learn many subjects in schools. They learn language and many other things. बहुत सारी language और different चीजें सीखते हैं. Then we have middle school that is up to class 8th, right? And school up to class 10th is secondary school and class to 12th are senior secondary school. Kindergarten to class 2, जो kindergarten से class 2 की stage होती है वो foundational stage होती है. And after class 3 to 5 it's a preparationary stage. हम prepare करते हैं बच्चे को for going to the higher classes, right? So here now learning subjects. We learn many subjects in the school. We have maths, English, Hindi, social science, science. These are the various subjects that we study in the school or learn in the school. Now languages and mathematics. In school, we learn our mother tongue. We also learn to read and write English language. So we learn more language if we take separate classes for them, right? If we talk about in maths, what you learn? How to add things, subtract, multiply, and divide, right? So then we have environmental studies. इसमें आपकी social studies और science आ जाती है. इसमें आप environment के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Social studies में अपनी geography पढ़ते हैं, right? And we study about our past, that is our history, right? So we learn different things. So in environment, we learn about the wonderful world and wonderful body. We also learn about the people, religious and culture, and we study about land, plants, animal, air, water. ठीक है, और हम सन मून वगैरह के बारे में भी पढ़ते हैं. Next we have art, music and PT. So apart from studies we learned about some recreational activities जो अपने free time में करते हैं. What we say it's recreational activities जैसे like art, music, PT. So our teacher also train us. हमारे जो teachers हैं वो हमें train करते हैं in games and sport. और जो activities हैं ये हमें कैसा रखती है? Fit रखती है. Now other activities in our school are, we also do many other activities in our school. जो हमारा स्कूल है वो किससे शुरू होता है? विद मास प्रेयर. ठीक है, हम देखा ना, आप मॉर्निंग में आप स्कूल जाते हैं तो आप प्रेयर से अपना डे स्टार्ट करते हैं. So after that our teacher teaches us in the classroom. In break time we also play games and sports. हम क्या खेलते हैं? Games खेलते हैं, sports खेलते हैं. We take part in school function. On these functions our parents are invited to attend the function. देखो ना, जब annual function होता है, there is a large gathering and it is a time of joy and happiness, and our parents also are welcomed on the annual functions day. Children participates and different games are held on this day. So did any of your classmates do anything else from study? जैसे like singing, तो किसी की क्या होती है, कोई कोई बच्चा होता है वो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में सिंगिंग, डांसिंग एंड पेंटिंग भी करता है. तो like this you have to tell if there is your classmate. Next is we celebrate Radha Krishna birthday as a teacher's day and he was a great leader और वो हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी थे इंडिया के, right? Children enjoy activities, parents and teacher meet to find how the child is doing at the school, कि बच्चा स्कूल में कर कैसा रहा है, right? Now qualities of a good student, एक अच्छे बच्चे की क्या क्वालिटी होती है? So qualities of a good student, our school helps us in many ways. देखो अलग अलग तरीके से हमें हेल्प करता है. So we should take care of the school, and here are some steps given how you can follow these steps and become a good student. So first is we should keep our school clean. We should keep our school clean. We should not damage school building or furniture. We should not shout or scream in the classroom. बहुत बच्चे होते हैं ना चिल्लाते हैं चीखते हैं क्लास में, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. We should always respect and obey our teachers. ठीक है, जब आपके teachers आते हैं you should greet them with the good morning, and when they go after taking your class you should say thank you. Right? What are these? These are the good manners that you should follow. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.